How to create a group chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Here, scroll down and turn on the iMessage option below. Now, go back and open up the Messages application from the bottom panel. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can search for all people who you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want to send the message in a group. After selecting, type in the message in the text bar below to share it with them. Following these steps, you can easily create a group chat on iPhone.